Hi there, welcome back to RAM Communications. I'm Rob McCoy, and here is your cyber quick tip number 2. What is a hacker, really? A hacker is not just one person. Odds are, the hacker who is looking to take down your organization is an organization. Why? Well, because there's a lot of money to be made in cyber attacks. In 2021 alone, cybercrime cost the world $6 trillion. Experts predict that that cost is going to rise to $10.5 trillion by the year 2025. Needless to say, cybercrime has turned into a big business. 95% of cyber attacks are the result of human error. So, what's my point? My point is that cybercrime is real and it can cost your business dearly. What else is true? Well, here's the good news. Much of it can be prevented by you and your staff. If you're looking for a way to keep the bad guys out, touch base with RAM Communications today. We have experts who are here to help you. Have a great day.